Hey everyone, I'm Charmaine. We're talking about food as resistance. Right now in America, there's fear. Tanks rolling down our streets, troops arresting citizens, ICE raids tearing families apart. But even in crisis, food remains a powerful form of resistance. Let's explore how. June 14th marks the hashtag No Kings protests. People all across the country are standing against authoritarian displays of power. Today, let's talk about using our plate as power. In 1969, the Black Panther Party launched the free breakfast program in Oakland, feeding over 20,000 children daily across 36 cities. The program was so powerful, FBI Director J. Edgar Hoover called it a threat to national security. In the 1980s, Food Not Bombs emerged, serving vegetarian meals at protests and shelters using rescued food. Their message was clear: nourishment is a human right. Even when arrested, they continued direct action through food. Today, groups like Seeds of Peace, Radical Catering, and Pots and Pans Kitchen carry that legacy, fueling movements with meals and reminding us that nourishment is solidarity. And this tradition runs deeper than movements. Think of Fannie Lou Hamer's Freedom Farm Cooperative, the great boycotts led by Cesar Chavez and Dolores Huerta, the backyard gardens of enslaved African and indigenous seed keepers. Food has always strengthened bodies and spirits and fed revolutions. Now let's make something I call resistance in a bottle. When you can't carry much but still need hydration, energy, and ancestral strength, this hibiscus ginger electrolyte tea has your back. Hibiscus cools the body and reduces stress. Ginger energizes and calms inflammation. I add a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes. This tea has roots in West Africa, the Caribbean, Latin America, Asia, and our collective memory. You don't have to shout to resist. Sometimes you just need to sip and carry on. Check the description for my Protest Energy Snack Pack with recipes like sweet potato energy bites, spiced plantain chips, and baobab citrus chews. All portable, all powerful, all rooted in our history. Here's how you can resist with food today. Cook a solidarity meal for neighbors or protest volunteers. Bring snacks to a protest or mutual aid table. Organize a free public meal and share legal or mental health resources. Start a food rescue group, recover surplus, and feed your community. Food is healing. Food is protection. Food is resistance. Even when we can't march, we can nourish. Even when we're afraid, we can remember. Feeding ourselves and each other is a revolutionary act. Subscribe for recipes with purpose and stay grounded, stay safe, stay powerful.